Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to measure a top. Start with length of the top. Okay, so we're going to need our height of the top to do the half length, which is here to here under the bust. We're going to do the 3/3 of the top. Measure the bust. This is her bust. 33. Okay. 15. Now to stand straight, just bend. So that's her waist. Neck. $39. So we can play around 1/4, then the long one. Top, that's a long sleeve top. That's how you do the long sleeve with that fist. 7. Hers is 7. Mine may be 9. It depends on the bust. So hers is 7. So that's how to measure a top. There are so many ways how to measure a skirt. You may just need the length, the waist, hip, and the length of the skirt. So thank you guys for watching. See you again when I'm measuring